Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a quick unboxing and some initial impressions of the Mobiistar XQ Dual. By the way guys, I will be giving away this phone, so stay tuned till the end to know how to participate in the giveaway. So guys, this is the box and on the front it says the company's name along with some information about the dual selfie camera, a quick preview of how the phone looks and the name at the top right corner, that's the XQ Dual. Now on the left side it once again shows the name, on the right side we have the name once again, and at the back we have the specifications, IMEI number and some highlighting features like the dual camera setup, a 120-degree field of view for the secondary camera, fingerprint scanner and the storage information. Now let's get on with the unboxing. So guys, at the top we have the phone. Let me just put that aside for now. Next we have this cardboard case with some documentation inside and a free plastic case, which is really appreciated. Now nothing's new, it's just a soft silicone pouch. Next we have the SIM card ejector, a 7.5 watt power adapter, and next we have the micro USB charging cable. And that is all we get inside the box. Now let's come back to the phone. So guys, this is how the phone looks and it comes with a screen guard. I guess that's not supposed to happen. So it comes with a screen guard almost pre-applied. You have to just peel this off and maybe press this in the right way to remove all the air bubbles. Anyway, this is how the phone looks on the front and this is how it looks on the back. We have the IMEI numbers once again over here. Let me just remove this. Now let's have a quick physical overview and then check out the specs. On the front, it sports a 5.5-inch IPS display with Full HD resolution covered by a 2.5D curved glass. And above the display we have the dual camera setup with a 13-megapixel primary camera and an 8-megapixel secondary camera with wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view. Now that's followed by the earpiece, sensors and the front-facing flash. Below the display it has capacitive buttons. On the back, it has a single 13-megapixel camera with single LED flash, fingerprint scanner and Mobiistar branding. At the top, it has a microphone hole and a 3.5mm audio jack. At the bottom, it has dual speaker grills with a micro USB charging port. On the left side, it has a volume rocker, and on the right side, it has the power button and the SIM card tray that houses a hybrid SIM slot and a nano SIM slot. So you can use 2 nano SIMs on this phone or a nano SIM and SD card. Now this phone has a semi-metal build with a metal back panel and 2 plastic strips at the top and bottom for antennas, just like the current Redmi phones. Now under the hood, it sports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 processor with 3GB of RAM, 32GB of storage and expandable memory up to 128GB. Now all this is powered by a 3000 mAh battery. Now this is how the phone looks with a free case on. It has cutouts for all the ports including the camera module and the fingerprint scanner. Now the fingerprint scanner is more easily accessible and it even protects the camera module, which has a small bump to it. It also has a very small lip on the front, so even if you place your phone directly on its face, display won't get scratched easily. Now I'm just gonna set up the phone very quickly and see what we get right out of the box. So guys, this is how the phone looks right out of the box. It is a custom skin, so we don't have the app drawer and we have a redesigned notification area. So let's go to settings and check out the about page. So guys, this phone is running a custom skin based on Android 7.1.2 Nougat and it has a February security patch. Now let's check out the free RAM. So out of the 3GB of RAM, we get about 2.8GB of free RAM right out of the box. Now coming to storage, out of that 32GB of storage, we get around 25GB of free space for our user apps and user data. So guys, these are the apps that come pre-installed and there is very little bloatware. Now this phone has a very interesting feature called freeze, which simply freezes applications. So let's say you have applications that you don't use frequently. Maybe you use it once in a blue moon. So you can freeze all those applications and improve performance and battery life. Now this is the camera application. This is the toggle for filters. Now next we have the toggle for timer, and if you go to settings, we have HDR mode, night mode, pro mode, and at the bottom we have the option to take pictures even using the fingerprint scanner. Just enable it or disable it from here. Now to switch to the front facing camera, press this button and here we go. Now if you want to switch to the second camera, that's the wide angle camera, press over here and this image is from the secondary camera with 120-degree field of view. And we can record video in 1080p resolution using the front and rear cameras. These are some selfies taken using the regular camera, followed by the wide angle camera. These are some more shots taken using the rear camera. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Now coming to the giveaway, it is pretty simple to participate. Just follow the instructions in the description. Subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, like us on Facebook, and do the same for Mobiistar. You need to like them on Facebook and follow them on Twitter. And once you're done, comment below this video and I'll pick a random winner on 30th of May. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want us to make any specific video about this phone, let us know by commenting below this video. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.